How to make account private on Instagram. So if you want to make your account private on Instagram, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is launch the Instagram application, and this is the interface that we will see. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then after that, tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen. Once we've done that, where we can see a couple of options, but the one that we want to look is this option called account privacy. Currently you can see I have got a public account. So if I want to turn on private account, I can just tap on turn on this toggle right here. It says switch to private account, so I can read all this and tap on switch to private account, and just like that you can see I have successfully turned on my private account. And if I want to review my followers, I can review the followers or remove them if I want to as well. Either way, this is how I can make my account private on Instagram. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.